Hi guys, let's visit this online tutoring, Worky.net, perfect for tutors. So, basahin po natin yung job, yung offer na trabaho dito. So, all-in-one solution for private teachers and tutors. Manage your student booking schedules and payments all in one place with 0% fees. Okay. 10,000 3 years plus 4.9. So, ang laki ng ano nila, yung ratings nila 4.9 at 24/7 customer support. Your all-in-one tutoring solution for a few steps. Step 1, create your number code website. So, create professional website for your tutoring business in less than 1 minute. Simplify the way your student book your session. So, ayan. Ito po yung example nila. So, step 2, design your scheduling and lesson. Set up your work schedule and time slot for any engagement. Create multiple free or paid time slots and streamline bookings with Worky. Step 3, connect payments and get paid directly with 0% fees. Create multiple lessons, get book, and paid through your website. Send your invoices for your services with Worky. Sorry po kung maingay po yung mga manok namin. So, nandito po ako sa bukid. Pasensya na po. Step 4, promote business and get new students with Worky ads. So, run hassle-free ads in Facebook and Instagram. Our in-house team takes care of a Z process for you. We will work with you to prepare banners, help to select target. Okay. To work with you, prepare banners, help to your business with business gets student directly. Okay. Getting ready for online lessons, meet your time saving Ali. Prepare for calls with your student efficiently using our cutting-edge AI solutions. Save up to 10 hours a week and supercharge your online lesson with advanced AI technology. Tailored lesson plans are just click your teaching routine more efficient. So, generated lesson plan. So, they have a prepared lesson plan. So, you can generate lesson plan from AI. So, present perfect connection continues in real life materials. Flashcard with a present perfect. So, continuous conjugation of to be is Armin. Okay. Let's read. So, Worky starter. Business looking for a business. Okay. Worky plus. So, they have plan. Okay. Worky pro. Worky business. All I can say is if you want to know more about Worky, you can visit their website or job site. So this is online tutoring business. So let us start get started. Grow to pro. Solution. Focus on client, leave the rest to Worky. Started. Client book and pay for the session or purchase your services through your website. Okay, from your workspace, you have complete control over meetings, clients, and finances. Connect with clients through Worky calls or use your prepared video code integration. Okay. Worky has simplified how people reach out to me. My website now booking and scheduling integrated. People can now book for me for work sessions. Okay. I think, I don't know kung meron ba sila ditong ibang language. Sana nga no, may iba't ibang language sila dito. So that maka-apply din tayo as online Tagalog tutor. So you can visit Worky. Smart booking system, set your availability on your own terms, client meetings management, and automated integration. If you want to know more about Worky, you can search, or you can go to Google, then search for information. Baka hindi lang po English or not only English po yung tinuturo dito. Baka meron din pong ibang language. So, ayun lang. So, you can create your own account here at Worky. Then, you can start working here and grow your business as online tutor. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. And please don't forget to like and subscribe na rin sa aking channel. Thank you!